So tell me, how was your journey so far with English, Yari?
It has been good. I have been talking to a lot of good tutors. I got a chance to have conversation with the anchor of Andy TV. She was Kriti Gosai. So I have had conversation with her, and that was a great experience.
Yeah, of course. She's very good.
Yeah, she is really amazing.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. So how many sessions have been completed as of now?
Till now, I have completed more than 5 sessions.
That's good. So, and I also believe that you are very active in YouTube also.
Yeah, I am active on YouTube, but don't give much time to YouTube actually. Without editing and without, editing, putting thumbnail, I just put it on the YouTube actually. So I am active, but not giving much time.
So you are not wasting your time.
Yeah, exactly, not wasting my time.
That's good. Because I saw my video. Like I think you posted my our video, right? We spoke.
Yeah,
Saw that.
I did that.
I saw that. It was good.
Yeah, but I mean, video is really doing good now. Earlier, it wasn't doing well, but now it's going great.
Which one you are saying? I didn't get you.
Like our conversation video.
Your channel is going good.
Yeah,
Oh, it's getting viral or what?
yeah, like videos are getting viral. Now most of the videos of English CI I uploaded, I think within a few days it will reach up to K. Like views in K.
So
Yeah, so
I think by joining with you, I think I will also become famous.
no, it's not like that. I'm not really a big celebrity that you can be famous. It's not
So
like that. I mean,
nowadays everybody has become celebrity. So
yeah.
once if your video becomes viral, you will also become a celebrity.
Actually, there's a crowd of YouTubers, and in that crowd, I'm not even ant right now, so I cannot be seen.
Don't think in that way. Okay, even a small ant can kill an elephant.
Yeah, yeah, that makes sense.
Right. So everybody started from that position.
Yeah,
From that
I
position,
mean,
we have grown to this level.
exactly. Like every big thing starts with a small initiative. I really accept this.
Okay. So there is another proverb also. It's very famous. A journey of thousand miles starts with a single step.
Yeah,
That's a very famous proverb.
yeah, and in Hindi we also have a statement, "बूंद बूंद से तालाब भरता है."
Okay, which means, can you translate if you don't mind?
No, it's really difficult to translate in English. I don't know.
Okay, because the problem is I understand very little bit of Hindi.
Oh, okay, but again I can explain this. If you want to fill up a pound, you have to put drop by drop water, then it will
So
be full.
I, a drop by drop will make a ocean.
Yeah, the drop by drop will make
Make
an
a
ocean.
ocean. Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. See how we are getting a lot of topics. When we are discussing one topic, it's getting deviated, and we are getting more topics, right? To discuss.
Yeah.
This is the what to say? Uh, oh, I am not getting the right word.
Okay, can you mention any of the line of William Shakespeare that he spoke about this topic? Like we're talking, बूंद बूंद से तालाब भरता है.
No, I'm not sure. Do you know something?
I am not also sure. That's why I was asking.
No, I'm not good in Shakespeare's drama. I just read only one story which was wrote by him, but I don't remember right now. That is very long back.
Uh, yeah, but actually,
Literature, right?
yeah, like I have read a lot of stories. poets of William Shakespeare when I was in my senior classes, like in ninth and 10th standard. At that time, I had a syllabus, and in that syllabus, most of the chapters of English I had, like the writers, was mostly William Shakespeare.
Oh, okay. So you are a big fan of
Yeah,
Shakespeare.
not exactly fan, but I like his, like poetries
Yeah,
and the way he writes. Yeah.
revolution when it comes to English.
Yeah, exactly. I
He
mean,
coined
he,
words.
yeah. I mean, he writes a lot of good sentence that is really amazing. I mean, like I remember one of his line, "What's there in name? What's there in name?"
Oh, what's there
And
in?
just beyond that, he wrote his own name by William Shakespeare.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
oh, that's great. No, he only told that every world is a stage, and all are actors. All the world
Yeah.
is a stage, and all are actors in it. That is
Yeah.
so
Actually, I have read a story related to this. Like that was written by William Shakespeare
great.
actually. Yeah.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. The whole world is a stage, and we are just actors in it. That's what he told in some.
Yeah.
Yes. So you always stand up and speak.
Yeah, I always stand up and speak because, while sitting, I'm not that comfortable. But when I'm standing, I have more focus. So, yeah, I
I think
mean,
it will build up your confidence level also.
oh,
Because if you see most of the public speakers, they used to stand and speak.
oh, is it like that?
They stand and speak. That is how they can make their hands move, hand gestures, and everything will be good. Like,
Yeah,
and even they will get good voice. So when you stand up, you will get some good voice
yeah,
rather than
actually,
sit.
yeah, I have noticed one thing. Whenever I speak and I do movement of my hands, it gives me confidence. I have observed that a lot of times. Like, if it takes time in constructing sentence and like I'm just moving my hands, then sentence start coming one after one. It happens with me most of the time. I have observed that.
Okay, that's true. That's true. Actually, we have to move our hands.
Yeah.
That is a part of public speaking.
Oh.
Because I've been with Toastmasters for 5 years, so I learned